Peppa Pig, the Fire Engine. My first storybook. Mummy Pig is going to fire engine practice. Good excuse for a chat, says Daddy Pig. I have a very important meeting and a barbecue with the Daddy's football team. Mummy Pig, Peppa and George arrive at Miss Rabbit's fire station. Wow, gasps Peppa, seeing the big red fire engine. Fire naked, giggles George. Daddy Pig and his friends are playing football and having a barbecue in the garden. Oh dear, the barbecue has turned into fire! Daddy Pig rings the fire station. Bring, 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 bring. The fire phone is ringing. Hello, Daddy Pig, answers Miss Rabbit. This phone is only for when there's a fire, shouts Daddy Pig. We'll be right there, replies Miss Rabbit. Mummies to the rescue, cries Miss Rabbit, sliding down the fire pole. Hold tight, cries Mummy Pig. Whee, laughs Peppa. The fire engine is ready to go. Peppa, George and the Mummies soon find the barbecue and get their water hose out. Stand back, daddies, cries Miss Rabbit. The water comes spurting out the hose. Sssss. Hooray! Cheer all the daddies when the fire is out. Thank you for saving us, says Daddy Pig. No problem, replies Miss Rabbit. It's all part of the service. Now that Miss Rabbit has flooded the garden, says Daddy Pig, we can jump up and down in muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Peppa, especially when they make muddy puddles. The end.